Hi, it's Junk Journaling Jen. I'm back with another journal. It's the naked. I always get this wrong. What is it? It's a naked soft cover junk journal. And so anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and do the flip through for B. If you're seeing this video, reference back to the main video and you'll see all 5 journals where I explain everything. But this is the flip through for journal B. So let's get into it. Okay, so we have organic goat milk soap available on our website. I don't know about on our website, but definitely go to our Facebook and you'll get a preview on there. We should have the videos up sometime this next week. So there you go. Also your free prayer rock. The rest of this is just all prop. All right, so this journal, the front, here are the pockets. Couple pockets here. Another card. Shield of Faith. Godspeed. Then we have the inner pages. These are really, really antiqued with coffee and tea. It's a very grungy look. It's very fun to make. Prayer beads here. I just call them prayer beads. These are 5 so for grace. Got some pearl closures here on the edge of our bow. And then the pearls are here too to keep our bow on our journal, so you don't have to worry about that. Isn't that pretty? I love this journal. Okay, so let's go ahead and open up. And again, this is inspired by Shabby Dabby Doodah, and I'll link her below. This is a soft covered journal. So here's the front, and it was a collage in the back. Here are the tags. And I just made the pockets. I made each section a pocket, which I thought was really cool to be able to have something in the front and the back. Here we go. There it is. Okay. And in the back. And so naked means that you put the ribbon and all of that. That should be all explained to you in the description, okay? Here's all your fabrics. Again, elastic in the center. All your patina paper clips are here. I left them on this one so that you can see what it looks like with them on. There they are. And then here are all of our pockets and tucks. I'm going to show you these pockets. Some of them this one has a couple of tags. So it has a couple tags here. There's the back. It's a great pocket, so you can install that and you can see how it was made. So you can remake that yourself, okay? So I'm gonna set that here. We have this one. Pocket there. We have this one. That pocket there. We have this little pocket. That can go there. And that can go on any page. That'd be the same thing here. You would just glue on the back of here onto there. Or you could glue here, here, and here. Put a piece of cardstock back here first. And then just do that. And then you could have a pocket that way or this way. I prefer it this way. So I would just do a cardstock and create a pocket there. Okay, and then you have this one. Goes here, 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 or there. This one. Same thing, and then this one has 3 sections, so you could put a card in each section, but also you could take this apart and figure out how I made it, which is really simple. Okay, and the same thing here. This is multi pockets, so 1 here, 2, 3, 4, and then that one's 4. So That good? And this one. Pocket there. And we'll be doing all the decorating together. And there's so many videos out there. Go watch other people too. So there we go. Look at that. Isn't that cool? And you could even do something that goes this way, or it goes above. Okay. I really like this though. This right here. So I'm gonna leave this card in there because it's nice and grungy. Is all of the pockets and tucks. Excuse the dog back there wanting to go out. And let's do our flip through here. So these are really nicely stained. I let them sit for a very long time and then I dried them in the sun. And I believe these coffee papers were done, some in 2019, but a lot in 2020. This is my husband's artwork, Redeemed Ronnie. You can check him out on Instagram. And again, we're launching, so we're trying to get out as much information as we can this next couple weeks. We've been filming, so we wanted to get this out to you. Look at these papers. Aren't these great? Music. Coffee. Look at that. Fun. Little piece of paper. So for your artwork, to journal, to put pockets and tucks, your schedule. These are really lightweight. They're sturdy though. And there's a lot of pages. There's over 80 pages. That's from a class that we did. Some more coffee. Look at that. Isn't that nice? These turned out so great. Kentucky. Somehow this is upside down. Oh, it's right side, but sometimes the maps flip. So you may have to just take a piece of paper and cover that section. And these journals are great too if you don't feel like doing the sewing. You just want to get one real quick and then just start doing your own thing. Because I know a lot of junk journals just buy journals from each other, I've noticed. So you can tell this has just pages and pages and pages blank. And then an art page here. That's Redeemed Ronnie. That. Those are the reverse pages, reverse cover, and there you go. So this is Journal B. If you're interested in this, please look at the description below and email us. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. Oops. I need to put this. I pray that you're well. And we will see you in the very next one. Take care.